reflect and consider who I am and from what part I come, I marvel greatly and cross myself that God will to endure so long my wrongful deeds. But he who is true and strong, since it pleases him that I turn to him, deigns thus to slay the sin, so that my evil desire is dead. He would well wish to part from all good who takes up any ruse against God, for God does not wish that one teach him. We thought to pass through with laughter through our foolish pastimes, brother. A peace scarcely long would have made us sit down too late. A man must do good as quickly as speak it, for death is always on the watch. For what is man when I consider it, and what is he worth? I hold him at nothing. And so why does a rich man pretend he is rich? Rather, there is too much to say. So frail is his strength, the day a man crosses the mountain pass, where all go without contradiction. Whoever may make himself merry or gaze upon himself, death is common to all. The Lord, who is the fulfiller of all good, I pray that he reign with us. Alas, how my heart tightens when I remember the disloyal thoughts and the false comfort. But now my source changes into good, so I do not grieve for it. For some may easily mock it, but I am alive, and he is dead. Martyrdom for us, let us never feel disdain for it. For with just such a sign, the traitor betrayed us with a greeting. So I have no dismay, for from the devil I am freed. With such a one whom I used to serve, he has no more power to drag me, so death causes me no fear.